I love the color and I love the yaki texture. The only thing I will say is that the wig cap is a little bit big for my head, as you guys can see, but that is not an issue at all because it has that drawstring elastic band in the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that elastic band, and I'm gonna show you guys just how easy it is to use it. You just pull it as tight as you want it to be, and then you see this little button right here. I'm just gonna push this button all the way up just to secure that elastic band. And once you secure it, once that button is pushed up, you just take the string and just tuck it in the back of your wig. Like, it's just that easy. And now, as you guys can see, this wig ain't going nowhere, okay? This wig is on, it's stuck. So we absolutely love it. We love a glueless unit over here. So Nadula, you did that.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity.
Alright guys, now that we've unboxed the wig, let's go ahead and get into the details of this wig. So this is their Ombre Chestnut 7x5, I believe, Yaki straight textured wig. And just in case I miss anything, y'all, all the details to this wig will be down below in my description box. But yes guys, this is how the wig comes right out of the box. It has this pretty ombre chestnut color at the bottom, and then the roots are like a darker brown, like really dark brown at the top, and then it fades into this chestnut brown color at the bottom. So cute. This is a Bye Knots wig, and it comes completely pre-plucked. The lace is already pre-cut for you. And like I said guys, the lace parting space is 7x5. This is what the inside construction of the wig looks like. It also comes with a drawstring elastic band. And y'all know how I feel about these drawstring elastic band wigs, y'all. These are I love me a good drawstring elastic band. When I see this on the back of the wig, I just know I'm not going to need any glue, any adhesives, or anything. Like, that just tells me that this wig is completely glueless. So yes guys, that is the details of the wig. Like I said, the rest of the details will be down below. Now let's get into installing her. I'm gonna go ahead and try this wig on right out of the box so you guys can see what this wig will look like if you order it, how it will come, and how it will look right out of the box.
But I used to know. Lord, please.
Y'all know I have a little head. Y'all know I have a little head. First impression guys, I absolutely love the color and I love this yaki texture. I will say that. I love the color and I love the yaki texture. The only thing I will say is that the wig cap is a little bit big for my head, as you guys can see, but that is not an issue at all because it has that drawstring elastic band in the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that elastic band, and I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to use it. You just pull it as tight as you want it to be, and then you see this little button right here. I'm just going to push this button all the way up just to secure that elastic band. And once you secure it, once that button is pushed up, you just take the string and just tuck it in the back of your wig. Like, it's just that easy. And now, as you guys can see, this wig ain't going nowhere, okay? This wig is on, it's stuck. So we absolutely love it. We love a glueless unit over here. So Nadula, you did that. Perfect fit, perfect fit. I'm gonna go ahead and get up close so you guys can see what the hairline of the wig looks like. This is what the hairline looks like. As you guys can see, I am a dark brown skin girly, so because the lace is just a tad bit light for my skin and I do not plan on gluing it down, I'm going to take a little bit of my foundation powder and I'm just going to tap around that lace with that.
Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but trust is what I can do.
Now I think that lace is unclockable. The lace is unclockable, the wig is on, it's stuck, it's not going anywhere. So yes, you guys can see exactly what this wig would look like if you buy it right out of the box. If you're a beginner girly and you don't know how to install your own wigs, I'm telling y'all, the drawstring elastic bands are where it is at, because you will not have to deal with gluing it down. It's a throw on and go wig. Y'all, that is exactly what this wig is. It is a 7x5, and let me show you guys where this wig stops. The lace stops here, but what I love about it is that it has this curvature around the ear, so the wig literally fits perfectly right around my ear. So that's another plus. If you want the look of a frontal, you want something that looks really natural, but you do not want to worry, you don't want to have to worry about like the ear tabs keep lifting up. Like, I know for me with frontal wigs, I know with me guys, with frontal wigs, that is always something that I'm weary about. Like if I have a long day, I'm gonna be out, y'all know it's getting hot. The first thing that always lifts up on my frontal wigs is the ear tabs. So with these 7x5 wigs, they fit perfectly, they're completely glueless, and you do not have to worry about your ear tabs lifting up. So that is a plus. And it also still has that versatility where you can switch the part. Like if you wanted to do a side part, you could do that, or you could do a middle part. So that right there gives this wig like 10 more points, okay? So as you guys can see, the texture is Yaki straight, but when the wig is coming to you, of course they have to package it up, they have to bag it up, all those things. So it does have a little bit of ripples in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron it straight and show you guys what the Yaki straight texture looks like when it's pressed. Y'all, Nadula, you did that. You really did that. This hair feels so good and it straightens really well, and I also really love the color. I think that this ombre chestnut brown is like not too much brown, but it's just enough. So I actually really love the color, y'all. So this is pretty much what the wig looks like right out of the box. I didn't wash it, I didn't do anything. You guys seen me unbox it. I put it on and then just went through my flat irons with it one time, one pass through. And this is what it's given. I am going to go ahead and curl my hair real fast, and I'll talk to you guys after. This is what the curls are giving so far. Definitely giving what I wanted it to give. I wanted to give like a loose body curl, and it is giving that. But y'all know me, these fingers are itching, y'all. These fingers are itching to cut some hair. These fingers are itching to cut some hair. So I'm gonna go in with my scissors and I'm just gonna add some layers right here in the front, just so that hair can like actually frame my face a little bit better. Not too much, not too much, not too much, not too much.
It's no greater love than this. No greater. I find peace in knowing that.
Y'all think I need more layers, or y'all think it's looking good? What y'all think? What y'all think? Cause y'all know me, I'll go back in and add some more layers. I'm joking, y'all. I think it looks really good like this. Just adding a little bit more of that silkening oil on the ends. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I am loving it, y'all. I'm kind of conflicted. I'm not sure if I like it better straight or if I like it better curled. I think that both ways look really cute. If I have to get into what I love about this wig, I absolutely love the color. I absolutely love this yaki straight texture. It's giving natural blowout. And I really, really love that this wig is completely glueless and it has the drawstring elastic band in the back. Game changer, y'all. Game changer. Absolutely glueless. Y'all seen it. I didn't have to use any glue whatsoever on this wig. It is completely glueless. So we are opting for convenience this year, okay? This year and beyond, we are opting for convenience. And this wig is definitely giving that. Straight out of the box, ready to wear. That's the only type of wigs for me this year and beyond. Put on and go. I do not have time to be gluing down no wigs, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, thank you Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Smooches.